Full start. What's going on YouTube? Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today we got a fun one. We're going to Cars and Coffee in Lake Mary. We're meeting up with a bunch of homies. Meeting up with my boy Craig from my neighborhood. You guys saw him before in the BMW Invasion video. He had a red 6-speed 435 that he actually sold, and he bought a R32. And no, not an R32 GTR. He got an R32 VW. Thing is sick. It's like a 6-speed, super rare, in this dope blue color. It's naturally aspirated, but when he pulls up, I'll show you. And then we're also meeting up with my boy Steve from One Love Car Rally. He's meeting me at my hood as well. We're gonna meet up with F30 Skirt at Starbucks, and we're all gonna roll out to Cars and Coffee Lake Mary together. So it should be a fun day. I think a couple other friends are meeting us there too. Steve just pulled up. Look at his lights. So yeah, a couple other friends are meeting us today. Your boy John and Jay, Thic F30 are in town, so it should be a fun day. I'm gonna do some feature films and just chill. Meeting up with Skeler, F30 Skirt. I got Craig behind me in the R32, all-wheel drive. Super sick car. I'll get a close-up for you guys when we go to Starbucks. And like I said, Jay and Thic F30 are in town, so we should be filming with them today, hanging out with them, chilling at Cars and Coffee, catching up. So it should be a fun-filled day. The weather's super nice. It's chilly, 53, so boost season, baby. We just pulled up to Starbucks. This is Craig's R32 VW, fucking all-wheel drive. What a gem. It's a fucking beauty. You already know. Got the F80 all cleaned up. And we got Skeler's car, F30 Skirt. Look at this. Sheesh. Look at that paint. Man knows how to detail, that's for sure. But yeah, let me show you Craig's R32. These things are super rare. This is like before the GTIs and the Golf Rs. This thing is sweet. These are actually some BBSs. He has a Fab Speed exhaust, I think, but it sounds amazing. And the paint is mint. Look at that. 6-speed, or maybe 5-speed. This thing's super clean, yo. Alright, we're mobbing out to Cars and Coffee now. We're taking some back roads. Skeler's leading us. We got Craig in the middle. We actually lost Steve on the way. I don't know where he went. I think he had to go to the bathroom or something, even though we're going to Starbucks. I don't fucking know. But anyway, we're taking some cool back roads to Cars and Coffee. Shout out to Skeler, F30 Skirt. Give him a follow for leading the way. And we should be meeting up with some other people as well. So stay tuned. We just pulled up to Cars and Coffee, parked away from everyone so no one dings our cars. We got Skeler. Got a bunch of Porsches pulling up, a couple McLarens. Woo! GT3. We got Craig's R32. Yes, sir. Man has more people walking up to his car than the Porsches, bro. Really, right? Damn. We got Steve, he left us. Fucking ditched us. It's my homie recommended. You guys have seen his car before. I ain't gonna lie.
VW boy, I just party with them.
Goals. Vlogception. Vlogception. GT3. Hurricane. Goals, baby. Goals right here. Alright, but this is ultimate goals right here, baby. V12 boys. Check out these wheels, holy. Turbo S. Porsche gang. The HRE. You guys see Turbo Team NA. This shit sounded so mean. Damn, the fast boy lane. Sheesh.
I'm trying anyway.
I've actually been on a huge GTR craze lately. This R32 on the rays looks so clean. If I can get an R33 or R32 one day, that'd be freaking sick for the stable. Too bad R34s are gonna cost like $150,000 when they become legal in 4 years, 3 years. Rip. Noble M12, never seen this in my life. Looks like a Hennessy Venom, shrunken a little bit. The boys are here.
We
Barely made. Jay barely made it this morning.
For real, bro. And
We've never been to this one.
is that an NSI, bro? That looks like my Unity. There's a red one here too.
Oh yeah, it does. My boy Joshy F22. Fastest M55 in Gainesville. We got my boy Thic Whip teaching them youngins how to fly a drone. So Jay and John just pulled up. Jay F82, John Thic Whips. Everybody knows Thic F30. We're just chilling right now. This Cars and Coffee is kind of small, so we're probably gonna head out soon, do a feature film, take some pics, just chill. But yeah, it's crazy to see the boys in town. They had a good time last night though, downtown Orlando. Boys teaching them boys how to fly a drone young, teaching them vlog life young.
Hey, can we grab a coffee?
Yo, we got my homie Jay F82. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here. Give him a follow.
We came through. We had to see our boy.
We're about to ride out. Yo, we got Johnny in the other car, got Kyler.
We getting round two. Compare
This man's crazy.
Compare the morning clip of me to now. We getting active.
So Jay and John went out last night with my boy Meat, and this man got buck wild. This man got buck wild.
Yo,
and now he's ready for round two.
Buck wild. I got a cut on my knee, bro. Like,
yo, that's crazy. So we're about to go to a parking garage, take some pics, get some video.
Get the feature film.
Feature film going. Let's get it. Yo, we got John riding with Kyler. We got Jay. Yo, yo! We out here.
We're out here, bro. We're out here.
Yeah, right? Alright.
Are y'all getting anything?
I don't know yet. Of course. Nah, we already had coffee. I'm chilling. Of course, John wants to go to Starbucks. Typical. Nitro cold brew.
Second home.
Yes. Second home for real. Damn, we gotta hit up the Nitro cold brew. Fuck. Fuck. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
cleanest black F80 on the block.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, yo, she looked kind of thick though. Yo. Oh, fuck.
Yo, your shit sounds hard.
Squad.
That sound good. On the highway, you were being pulled off.
Yeah, no flybys.
Squad. Vibing with the boys. About to go to a parking garage, do a feature film, get some pics, get some food maybe.
All day.
We squatted. We chilling. Beautiful day.
You look super young.
Yo, 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 yo.
What up, what up? Okay. What's up, boy? That's right. I was like, oh, shit. Yo, this little section, bro, lit. It is a double lit.
We just pulled up to this parking garage courtesy of Kyler. Had us with a dope. This is a dope spot, man. I was wondering where you got those photos recently. This is sick.
Yeah.
Shout out to him for the spot. Might do a feature film. Boy Josh with the loudest N55 in the world. Oh, fastest one in Gainesville. No. A little behind the scenes. We got Craig's R32 looking so mint. Sounds so good.
But like for manual?
We got STC shots, Steven. Welcome. JY. Drop their Instagram right here. Try to do the intro.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel with your boy John. And today we are back at it again with another feature film on this F8x.
Alright, so we got the behind the scenes. Jay is doing the intro for John. Shit is fucking hilarious.
Support reach.
taking over my iPhone right now. John is getting some B-roll for the feature film. Behind the scenes. Thic whips, John. Thic F30 behind the scenes. Spot's fucking dope.
Looks good, man.
Thanks, brother.
Oh yeah.
We trying. All right, I got Kyler in the driver's seat. Never driven an F80 before.
The real deal.
Boy Craig.